Asus ROG Strix 15 G513RC. Unitysystem Solutions. Processor, AMD Ryzen 7600H mobile processor. Graphics, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050. Memory 16GB DDR5 4800 SO DIMM. Hard drive 512GB M.2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD. Key features: comes with mux switch to offer the absolute best gaming experience. ROG intelligent cooling using liquid metal technology and arc flow fans for balance between power and acoustics. 56 Wh battery with fast charging technology, 50% in 30 minutes. Display: 15.6-inch anti-glare FHD, 1920x1080, display having 16:9 aspect ratio with 144Hz refresh rate. Graphics: NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 laptop GPU having ROG boost of 1550 MHz at 95W, 1500 MHz boost clock plus 50 MHz OC, 80W plus 15W dynamic boost, with 4GB GDDR6 VRAM. Keyboard, backlit chiclet keyboard per key RGB support number pad. Memory, 16GB, 8GB DDR5 4800 SO DIMM *2, RAM expandable up to 32GB using 2x DDR5 SO DIMM slots, support dual channel memory. Storage, 1TB M.2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD and 2x M.2 slots.